Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Robin and I am back with another video. Today I'm doing a video on the best lace adhesives. Now everyone has different needs for their lace adhesives. I know for me, like I said many times, I work out almost every day or every other day. I sweat a lot. I am the type of person where I don't always sleep with my hair wrapped up every night. I get off late from work sometimes, or sometimes wherever I fall is where I fall. So I need a lace adhesive that's gonna last very, very, very long. Those are my needs. Those may not be yours. So I'm gonna give you my four choices for lace adhesives for every single person. Now, let's just start off with the ones that you guys know the best. This is the Gots to be Glued, and I know everyone has seen this before. This is nothing new to the YT. I think that YouTube probably has to pay this company because YouTubers have made this shit poppin'. We all should get a share. They all should split the money and split it down. But yeah, this is a brand new bottle for me. I always use this to adhere my wigs or my closures or anything that I'm wearing for a short period of time, and you will get the same exact effect that you will get as if you're using glue. This is what I use today to adhere my wig. This is the full wig I made from Yolissa Hair. I will have the link for that video in the info bar for you guys if you want to check it out. But this is the lace adhesive that I use to adhere that hair. Now, with that being said, this says it has a extreme hold with no chunk, and it's water resistant. Water resistant is a lie. If you jump in the pool, your wig is coming off. For one, your wig is coming right off. If you go to the shower and get your hair wet, it's gonna slip, and that's why I like it for times where the most where I'm gonna get out of this is maybe 2 to 3 days, depending on my activity. So if you're someone who's wearing a style for the weekend like me, this is just my weekend hair because I cannot wear this color to work. So Monday, this will be off my head. And for this Friday, this Saturday, and this Sunday, all I will really have to do is tie up my hair and untie it. When I'm ready to take it off, I can just get some oil or some hairspray, some hair oil or some solvent, and it will lift right off. What I do not like about this, it does, when it gets on your lace, it's kind of harder to come off than other glues I have tried before. And this is not a glue, this is just a gel. But if you are someone who wants to use your wig just for the weekend or a short period of time, or you just do not like lace glues, some people are allergic to lace glues, some people have get those bumps around their hairline from lace glues. I don't get them, but I know people that do. So if you're one of those people, I would definitely suggest this Gots to be Glued. It does come in a yellow bottle, and then they have one in the black bottle. I like this one better. It has a much better hold to me than the one in the black bottle. The one in the black bottle, for me, it gets very, very sticky, very, very chunky and white. You want to also use this together with the Gots to be Glued hairspray. I think it's called the blasting spray. You want to use these two together. You do not want to use this by yourself. It will not hold. You need that spray in order for it to hold. Next glue I'm going to get into is my Boldhold glue. It's Boldhold Extreme Cream, no odor, humidity resistant, oil for oily skin. It's waterproof and has an extreme hold. Let's get into a couple things about this. Water resistant, I have never gotten in water with it, so I cannot attest to that, but I can tell you, out of all the glues that I've tried, and I've tried a couple, this does not have the best hold. There's a lot of people on Instagram hyping this up as if this is like the best thing that comes with lace glues, and it's not. This is about $25. I think I bought mine for $15 on sale, but this is about $25. And in my last video that I did, I was applying a wig, showing you guys how to apply your wigs, and I used this. And in that video, you guys can see that I had to reapply it because my edges lift up. And even after that video, about 3 days later, my edges were lifting up. So this is not the best thing, but some people love it. I've heard people say that they have very, very, very good things to say about it. I probably would have to try again because this is just not it for me, but I have heard people say very, very, very good things about it. So if you want to go ahead and give it a try, I definitely would. It's definitely an option. It does have that white cast that the Ghost Bond gives, which I'm about to show in a minute, but it's not as bad. It's definitely not as bad as the Ghost Bond. It goes away quicker than the Ghost Bond. So let's just say I wanted my hair to last me a little bit longer than the Gots to Be Blue provide. I would definitely go for this. This is not 2-week hold, but for me it would be 1-week hold. To me, I don't know why would you want to wear a lace for 2 to 3 weeks anyway, even though sometimes I try to push it to 2 weeks. On that second week, you literally have to do a little bit of adjusting, because especially if you're someone who wears makeup and stuff like that, these lace frontals and stuff, I always tell people to try to learn how to do it on your own, because they do not last long. They don't last long at all. So if you're someone who wants your hair to last a month, just get a traditional sewing. And I know that's a thing of the past, but get a traditional sewing, because these lace frontals, they don't last. This will not look like this a week from now. I promise you it won't. The next glue I'm going to show you guys is the Esha Luxury Wig Fashion Absolute. I think they have 2 different ones. This is the extreme hold one. This gives the best hold. It says it's water resistant. All these glues claim that they do not give you a white cast, and they do. I am still on the mission to find a glue that does not give that white cast, and all of these do, you guys. If you sweat, if you get oily, if you have oily skin, you will have that white cast. So all I can say is just get over it. And there are ways that you can get that white cast away. It will go away once you tie your hair up with a silk scarf. It goes away. But I would just like to find a glue that does not have that. But this definitely gives a better hold than the Boldhold. And what I like about this better than all the glues that I'm showing you guys today, as this is the cheapest. I want to say this was like $12 on Amazon. It gives a very, very nice hold for the price. It does not cake up. It does not do any of those things some of the other glues does. It says you can control the strength by applying extra coats. Now let's just say with all my glues, I only do about 2 to 3 coats, thin coats. And when I say thin, extremely thin, that makes a difference between you having a caked up frontal or a very smooth transition in your frontal. And it's just about how many coats that you do. I would not say do any more than 2 to 3 thin coats. But this is a very, very, very cute glue. Very inexpensive. 2 of these bottles is like one of those other glues I just showed you, other than the Gots to Be. The Gots to Be, one thing is maybe like $4, but that's not a glue. These are glues. And I want to say this is from a drugstore brand. I can't even tell you. I want to say it is, but it's definitely drugstore brand. It comes with a very, very, very good amount in the tube. It's definitely something I would check out if these other glues that I'm showing you breaks you out or gives you those bumps. Now what I did notice with this, I did get the bump. But the other glues that I'm showing you, I've never had it, but this one that I do, I don't know if it was just my skin reacting maybe. So I'm gonna try it again and see how it goes. But I definitely like this glue. I don't think there's anything wrong with it other than the bump. And the bump came with me after wearing my wig for about a week or so, and I was wearing heavy makeup that time because I was on vacation from work. On normal, I usually don't wear much makeup when I'm going to work and stuff. So I think that had a lot to do with how my skin reacted to it, because of course when you have lace on, you can't clean up under that lace. You can't wash up under that lace. And I like to wash my face, but unfortunately when you have lace on, you really can't do that like you should. So I think maybe that might have been the issue with this, but I like it. So I will have all the floor ounces and how much comes in these tubes in the corner, also as well as the price of all of these glues, just so you guys can see. And I will also have links where you can find all these glues. Most of my stuff I get from Amazon, so probably gonna be Amazon links, but I know most of these that I'm showing you can find in your beauty supply store other than the Boldhold. I want to say the Boldhold, you have to find a retailer that sells them, or you have to just order it online. Next glue I'm going to show you guys is my Ghost Bond. This is my favorite out of all the glues, and this is the only one that I can get a 2-week hold out of. It holds. When you put it on your hair, it holds. It is $18. The only thing I don't like about Ghost Bond is you can't use a lot. If you use a lot, it's going to start getting very, very tacky. It's going to start being very white. It's going to be hard to hold down. You're not going to get a smooth it's not going to apply very smooth like this is applying right now. But once you know how to use this, it is better than all the glues I just showed you. Once you learn how to use this, it's very much so worth the money. This is the Ghost Bond XL. I've never tried the Ghost Bond Platinum, I think it's called. And this is for extra moisture control. I have swam in this and it has not came off. This is the only glue I can tell you I've actually been in the water in and it has not came off. Now, did it last much longer after that? No, but the wig did not slip off when I was in the pool or anything like that. And I was able to blow dry it, tie my silk scarf over it, and it adhered for a couple more days. So I will attest to this, saying that it does have moisture control. It is waterproof, even though I'm not sure if it claims to be waterproof. But if you put the right amount of layers on it, it will last and it will become waterproof. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. In the comment section, I will have a list of where you can find all of these glues. And yeah, once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Hit the notifications bell if you want to see every time I upload a video. If you're interested in this hair, how I got this hair color, what company is it from, how I slayed it, I will have all those videos, all those links for the videos in the info bar for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.